A sense of warmth. Recovery. Guided Meditation Day 1. A sense of warmth is one of the most wonderful human feelings. The warmth of our hearts, the warmth of our souls, the warm embrace of our loved ones. All of this is warmth. We are created as warmth-loving beings. Our bodies and souls love warmth. We cannot live without heat. We cannot live without the sun. In this meditation course, we will learn to feel, develop, and give our inner warmth to ourselves and the world around us. Please, let's start your meditation practice. Sit down comfortably. Relax your body. Relax your body from the toes to the crown of your head. Let all the worries and problems of this day disappear. Let yourself be in silence. Focus all your attention on your body and the sensations in it. Put your hands on your knees and turn your palms toward the sky. Close your eyes and listen to me. Take a deep breath in and out. Repeat 3 times. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Try to feel the energy of the earth filling your body through the lower chakras and rising to the crown of your head. The earth's energy brings warmth to your body, makes your body full, lively, and vigorous. Now, pay attention to the area of your heart, the Anahata chakra, and feel the warmth in your heart, in your soul. Imagine the warmth spreading throughout your body, from your toes to the crown of your head. Every organ of your body is filled with warmth and love. the warmth of your heart, the warmth of the planet Earth warms you inside and out. Your body feels good. Your body is comfortable. Repeat out loud after me. I am here and now. I am here and now. I consciously fill my whole body with inner warmth and love. I consciously fill my whole body with inner warmth and love. Now, imagine that your loved one is standing in front of you. Imagine how you give him or her warmth and he or she accepts it and then smiles at you. In the same way, you can imagine giving your warmth to any other person on this planet. The more warmth of your heart you give to the world and people around you, the more love of the universe will be directed to you. Give warmth. Continue your meditation practice. Stay in a state of calm and